Good morning, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, guys, we're gonna go through another live trading session. Start the Monday correctly. It's a beautiful Monday. In every video similar to this, we kind of go through something different value added. I know you guys get to learn something new every time. We're gonna go through the same thing, picking up the stock analysis, psychology, thinking process behind the trade before we make it, and also executing the trade. And also I get to show you guys the chat room results. I know you guys get motivated because we do trade together. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's put the camera down. Let's analyze. Currently, I'm looking at a beautiful view. I want to show you guys. Palm trees are out. The sun is out as well. So the current time, guys, is 14:22, which means there's an hour left before stock market opens. All right, guys. So let's find the stocks that we want to trade. So I shared a game plan. I do this every morning with my chat room. I want you to just have a look at it, guys. Understand really what I'm looking for today and the stocks that I'm looking for. So the overall market today, guys, is going to open up in the red because Korea came out and said after reopening the economy, the virus reappeared. Basically, the cases spiked even further, and that sent a shock throughout the market. So today, Monday 11th, the market will open up in the red, and you can check that for yourself. And so will majority of stocks. That's why I said in the last video, focusing on macroeconomics is important because as a day trader, it also plays a huge role in understanding the direction of the stocks. So that plays a huge role in the prediction side of things. And I'm focusing on Under Armour currently and Canada Goose, okay? Under Armour released an annual report. It wasn't great. So why am I focusing on Canada Goose? Well, because that's a neighboring stock. It's in the same industry. And right now, when the economy is taking a hit and basically everybody doesn't know, nobody knows really the future of these companies, you know, when one earnings report comes out for the competitor, this company will also feel it because it's in the same industry. And that's why I'm focusing on these stocks. So now we know the stocks we want to trade based on catalysts, right, that exist. If you're new to my channel, there's plenty of tutorials on this channel that explains to you even in more detail what this is. So let's jump right into it. Let's load up the stocks on the broker, guys, and let's execute the trade, and I'll show you the chat room when the trade happens. Let's do it, guys. Smash that like button if you want more of these videos, if you enjoyed and you're learning something from these videos, and let me know in the comment section what you traded today. So let's jump right into it. We've got 15 minutes to go, guys. Okay, guys, so I just loaded up Under Armour. The stock market has just opened, guys. You can see this stock is now spiking upwards. Now I'm looking, guys, at also, there's the pullback that we want. Okay, that's the pullback that we want because we need the space to be made before we short the stock. So you can see, guys, how it's spiking, and also I'm looking at the price here. So it's very volatile. Here we go. Right, just entered 1,000 shares, guys, of Under Armour. Now there's a huge spread here. Now this is such a volatile stock. Sometimes you do get faked out. So in order to eliminate that, because we have a pattern, and the pattern really is this, okay? And this was a stock that I've actually played before on this channel, guys. All right, so now we've added another 1,000 shares. And now it will slowly play out, guys. Slowly play out. Once it breaks 9, it will make a newer low. So 9 looks like it's the support level here for that stock. So this is the chat room, guys. Well done to everybody. Profits here and there. That's what I like seeing. There's more to come, but we're still waiting here, unfortunately. So currently, guys, I'm in the red, okay? But that's okay because sometimes you basically go straight to green, sometimes you take a red because the stock goes against you once you're entering, and that's fine. I do have 2% risk management here. So I'm still waiting, guys. The chat room so far is doing well. So green, here's 1,000 from Meg, Johnny, well done, guys. That's what I like seeing. So I'm still here, guys, waiting. And here we go, we're about to break, okay? We're about to break, and we're gonna walk away with some profits. Come on, Cletus. Don't do this to me. So $9 is support, guys. Eventually what will happen is, there we go, come on. Eventually what happens is, there we go, just like we predicted, guys. Okay, we need one more and we're out. There's the 350, 370. So just tested the 9 or the 890. Now possibly you will drop to 890, not 8 or 880. There we go, guys. There is the test. Okay, 4,000. Boom, boom, boom. And that is 570, guys. Back to the chat room. Green, UAL. And I just want to leave the chat room as it is. I want you just to have a look. These guys have a good mentor. Very good mentor. So green, UAA. Well done, guys. Yeah, so the green is coming in now. Green means profit, guys, and also they share the percentages from the short positions. So have a look at the green. It's motivating. First time trade is always good. So this stock was testing kind of the $9, and usually, guys, we'll test this figure multiple times before we actually, you know, enter. But right now I was too confident, and I played this same stock before in a different video. If we go back, guys, it was the same play, the same stock. But yeah, have a look at the chat, guys. I know it motivates you guys, you know, just watching people. If you want to join the chat, comes with the course, by the way. This isn't like a signals group. It's you learn, then you enter the chat, and you just kind of become part of a community that everybody really shares the same game plans and whatnot, just the same strategies. So well done, guys. See you again for more videos. If you want to join me on Instagram, basically it's gonna be somewhere there, because I do share some of these results on Instagram also. And yeah, peace and love, guys. See you again.